Laguiole and Aubrac, it's a company which has been established in 1992. The owner is called Mr. Christian Valade. When he started in a small workshop with few people, and now he is at the head of a company of 72 people. And we are producing and selling Laguiole and Aubrac in 35 different countries all around the world. Initially, you know, the Laguiole was a farmer knife. So the main activities at the beginning was to make pocket knife, to be used for to cut flowers, to cut a tree, to cut a steak, to open a piece of bread. So we wanted to have a table knife bearing the name of Laguiole. What makes our product special? I think it's the fact that it is a product entirely handmade. Today's, you know, everything goes very fast and everything are made industrially, but ourselves, we decided to maintain the tradition. So we are still doing the knives the same way as they were done at the beginning of the centuries. So each knife are made by a single craftsman, which means one person is responsible of his knife from A to Z. For the folding knife, we authorize the craftsman to sign the blade by doing a special engraving on the blade. This makes each piece to be a piece of art. We have kept the same steps to make a knife as it was done at the initial, which means in 1829. Now we try to innovate, so we give the opportunity to all our master craftsmen to create new models, to use new material whenever they can, but always keeping the tradition, always keeping the main step for completing a knife. So it is very important for us that the person who buys the product can feel the craftsmanship on the hand, you know. So when you touch a product, when you see all the detail, you appreciate it. So to dress a table with a Laguiole, we have expand the line by putting now fork, spoon, coffee spoon, service pieces. So it's a product that people can enjoy on a daily basis.